Hey fellas, so today's date is 22 August. It's the night time, 10 o'clock. And today I solved one SQL problem and one normal DSA challenge problem. And yesterday I solved one SQL problem, one more SQL problem. That was project employees 1. This is the question 1075. Basically, it means you can read the question on the LeetCode. See, and how did I solve it? This is the solution part of it. Then we have two tables, project and employees, and the outcome should be project and average years. Basically, from the on each project there are number of employees, and for that number of employees there is their experience years. So we have to calculate average year for each project ID. So how did we do it? We first created a table by using left join. By using these two tables, we created this table. This was the way of it. I was just following the flow. Second, then I decided to group the project ID. Group the project ID like one project ID, two project ID, and then counting the experience. And then I did the average of it, and then round it. Then I got the solution, and this was the complete query of it. This is the query which I wrote with using this CT function of SQL. I did this table 1. Table 1 contains this table. Table 1 has this table, and then I'm just grouping it. A project ID and rounding the average. For average, it was tricky. I have to do some search work, but it was working completely fine. Now let me show you the other question. This is the today's question which I did, which is percentage of user attendance a contest. You can read the question on LeetCode. It's 1633, and this is the thing which I solved. So again, we got two tables, and the outcome is contest ID and user percentage. The question was very simple. There are two parts of the question, which is find the percentage of user registered in each contest ID, same like project earlier question, and then rounding to decimal. Same. The second part is I have to arrange the table in descending order according to percentage, and then if the tie is there, then I have to do the contest ID in ascending order. See, this was the percentage formula which I was looking for. Registered was a group by contest ID, then I can group by the. I was able to group by the contest ID, counting the user ID. Which basically, if I counted the user ID this and group the user ID for contest ID. If I group contest ID registered and then divided by user ID's count, then I would get the percentage. Like see, select count this, count user ID for register this. I was able from this query, I was able to find this table. See, I was able to find this table. Then I was thinking about able to find to get the count to show the count user ID count, but see that didn't work because in LeetCode we cannot run multiple queries together. We have to write in one query. So I was thinking to write. I thought to write in sub query. Yes, I did some searching work too, but I thought of writing sub query. Sub query was this. Select contest ID round this. From this I was able to find this. I was able to do the half work or 75 work. I was able to return the table order by percentage in by using this percentage in descending order. Then I was having a thought that how to do the second part. Basically, how can I do the ascending order of contest ID when there's a tie? So of course I searched, and after I searched, I was learning also. See, these are my learning notes here. If you can see, I was learning also about how can I use a variable and all. And then this happened. I wrote a query. From this query, I was able to get the table from this query. From this whole query, I was able to get this table. And then just adding this contest ID and ASC, which is ascending, I was able to find the table, and it worked. See, the summation worked. You can see summation worked 2 times. So this is what I did today in SQL, or I say in database. I solved one question today and one question yesterday. That's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye.